Welcome to Samskruthi School of Excellence, where excellence meets tradition and education meets innovation.
We start our day with Gayatri Mantra. It fills our heart with peace and strength.
After that, we meditate to focus our mind and start the day fresh and calm.
Our student council helps us to take responsibilities and become a true leaders.
We have one healthy rule, one sip of water after every class.
In our school, we begin, continue, and conclude our day with prayer, nurturing gratitude and discipline. We don't celebrate birthdays with cakes and chocolates. Instead, we celebrate with stationery items, dry fruits, and plants. Python helps us to think logically, where HTML helps us to create web pages. From Python to HTML, we learn language of computers. Our science and computer labs help us to explore and experiment with things everyday. I love abacus. It makes math easy and fun for me. Sports are our favorite. We play, we learn teamwork, and we grow together. We dance with joy.
Dear parents, thank you for your cooperation. SSC ready. We love sharing voice messages with our parents on special occasions. The languages we use make it easy and joyful for them to understand and feel connected.
We also have a lab for hands-on learning. It's full of fun activities.
We have a big library where we read stories and explore new world through books.
हमारे यहाँ भगवत गीता की कक्षाएं भी होती हैं। हम जीवन के सबक और नैतिक मूल्य सिखाते हैं जो हर दिन मार्गदर्शन देते हैं।
Hi, hello. Welcome to 99.8 SFM, the voice of Samskruthi. Our school radio where programs are made by students with passion.
Olympiad makers winners in learning.
Because we are Samskruthi champs.
We also have the IIT Foundation classes that makes our basics strong for the future.
We go on exciting field trips where learning goes beyond the classroom. We learn Kung Fu with discipline.
We enjoy skating and balancing with confidence.
We have activity period where we learn art, craft and new skills like calligraphy.
Wow, our school has so many fun activities. Here, from meditation to Kung Fu, we learn everything with joy. Would you like to join us?
Why late?
Enroll today at Samskruthi School of Excellence.